Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel of your chubby buddy. Today's news, this is the update of the SPI. I was incorrect. It's seadoo SPI, not SP1. And so yesterday's event, I'll give you a quick rundown and then we're going to get to business. So we now have the exhaust pipe, the header, all new gaskets. I completed the rebuild that somebody else had started on. And we got ourselves our air box. And we tested for rotation yesterday and she's sounding great. So all the signs are pointing to, let's push forward and bench test it and try to make her pump, try to make her run today. Once we verify there's no noise, she's going to be a good runner and ain't going to give us problems. We're going to put her right inside here. And then we're going to hook up the IV bottles, like what I would like to call it. And I'm tired of these flying ants getting on me. So hopefully that ain't going to be an entire event today with these flying ants. So we are going to push forward. And once we hear this run, and she sounds good, and we're not going to make it run for long because we don't have water going in it. But we will listen to it and see what she's going to do. I'm going to grab my air electronics that goes to these engines, and we're going to hook them up and give it a spark and see what happens. So hang tight, I'm going to get everything ready and get everything locked down so she don't vibrate or jump off of here. Man, it's raining flying ants over here. I don't know, it's like I'm a magnet or something. Damn it. I wish these fuckers would go away. I'm tired of this shit. There's nothing more irritating than a damn bug one to keep getting in your face every time you're trying to do something. So, hang tight. We'll be right back. Everyone, and so now here's what I got going on. There's one box. This is the box that was more promising. So I had a ground wire, but I can't find it now. It was just in my hand. So I grounded this to the ignition coil, grounded it out here on the motor, and then comes off the motor, comes back to battery. So now the box is grounded, battery's grounded, the box is grounded, the motor is grounded, and we got a hot wire run to the starter. So it's showing me indications that a bad starter solenoid. Because I do that all day long, she goes. But the starter switch doesn't seem to do anything. So could be bad CDI box, such forth and such forth. But my other problem is I got a whole boatload of mess to clean up. You see all that here? I got all this I got to pick up because we got a storm coming in. So I can't continue any further. So I'm going to have to take everything and just dump it right in here so that way it don't get messed up and ruined. And I guess this is where I'm going to unfortunately have to call this one. So, appreciate you all stopping in and watching. I was hoping to get more progress. I'm so close for startup. Yeah, I'm going to have to stop jacking my jaw. So I'll have to catch you all later. Rain's coming down and I don't want nothing destroyed. So I'll have to catch you all later. Have a good one. See you all next time.